Okay sharp sizokhuluma weekend uzoza weekend so cedelela yonke into manje face to face ayina coach mama ngaleso sikhathi ungitshelile abantu I don't think bayazi ukuthi manje uxosha lo coach athi okay sharp siyayenza le hey baba after ngicede ukukhuluma naye ngithatha ifone ngenza phone call ngiyenzani manje ngihlanganisa technical staff yami ukhugza from Soweto I give him a call Endoda, I want you to be the team manager. Imamba. How? Ndoda kwenzakalani? Ngithi I'm a coach Imamba manje. Thatha ifone ngifonela Thokozani siya kuMamba manje. We need a plan. Baba sasina plan nalama player. There was one player wangona poster I badge Imamba on that day. Same time. Thatha badge Imamba ngayipost. Ngafaka emoji smile. Matikiti wa comment at same time wayibona wathi hey baba kwenzakalani and besikazulu ukuthi uba busy ngecoach ngayidelete at same time hey exen the next day ku announce uJukes as a coach
Morino I think happened in football
nobody knows only mina no mama Khukza nalabantu engaba involved umatikiti knows the day ngifake ibadge Imamba azange ngimtshele ukuthi why I was official coach Imamba. So I coach Imamba party for a few seconds. Then I coach. From there on, zange ngibe grand in school. I was looking forward to that. In that space, ngasengifonela lapha 8 players. Abo professor, abo Sheikh Suwa lobe ngikoachile ku room. Sengibatshela ukuthi I'm here.
Sila manje siyasebenza
siyaphana mina uThabo ngihamba naye Cream ngihamba naye kuMamba I don't know what could have happened lapha but ke ezinye izinto